Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the difference between nothing and anything. First of all, let me clear that nothing and anything has the same meaning, but we use the word nothing and the word anything in different sentences and in different situations. The word nothing means positive. We use the word nothing in positive sentences, and the word anything is negative. We use the word anything in negative sentences. Now you are thinking how or what's the difference between. So let's have some examples. First example we have, that is, I know blank about that. As you can see that there is no negative sentence. There is nothing negative in this sentence. So for positive sentences we use the word nothing. So I know nothing about that. He doesn't want blank now. Now this is a negative sentence, as this sentence has the word doesn't. Doesn't. Now as we know, for negative sentence we use the word anything. He doesn't want anything now. Next example we have, she can't do blank with this. Now here we have a word can't. Can't mean cannot. Cannot is a negative word and this is a negative sentence. And for negative sentence we use the word anything. She can't do anything with this. They aren't studying blank about English. Aren't means are not. Are not. This is again a negative sentence. And for negative sentences, we use the word anything. We use the word anything. They are not studying anything about English. Alright, next example we have, he is blind so he can see blank at all. He can. In this sentence, there is, as we can see here, a word is can. Can is a positive sentence, and for positive sentences, we use the word nothing. We use the word nothing. He is blind, so he can see nothing at all. Alright. Next, I know you haven't got blank at all. Now, this is a negative sentence, as here is a word that is have not. Haven't means have not. So, this is a negative sentence, and for negative sentence, we write anything. We write anything. I know you haven't got anything at all. Next, we have Alice knew blank about her son. She knew. Right? There is nothing negative in this sentence. This is a positive sentence. So we will write nothing. We will write nothing as it is a positive sentence. Alice knew nothing about her son. Last but not the least, we have, is there blank to eat in the house? Now, this is an interrogative sentence. This is the question, right? So, in this sentence, this is basically an interrogative sentence and asks a positive sentence. So, for positive sentence, we write nothing. Nothing. Is there nothing to eat in the house? Thank you so much for watching this video.